Thao here. Happy New Year's! I've been getting a lot of requests to try the Google Camera port for the Note 9. For those of you who aren't aware, supposedly a lot of the Google Pixel's camera magic comes from the Google Camera software, and developers were able to get the Google Camera working on the Note 9. I found the latest version for the Note 9 and installed it, but mind you, you do have to make a few tweaks to get it working properly, so I'll have the link to the instructions I followed down below in case you guys are interested. Anyways, we finally got some snow in Toronto. It's beautiful outside, so I'm gonna head out, snap some photos. I'm gonna take you guys along with me. I'm very eager to see how the Google Camera does on the Note 9. Is it better than the stock camera app on the Note 9? How does it compare to pictures taken on the Pixel 3? Well, let's put it to the test. Let's go. First picture of the day, you know we're gonna test out the selfie camera. One of the biggest complaints on the Note 9 is that with the front-facing camera, it tends to soften up the face a little too much. So let's put it to the test. I was just browsing through Reddit and I saw this really cool image of someone taking a picture of half their face, so I'm gonna try it out for myself. Hopefully I don't make a fool out of myself. Alright, so after the first few front-facing camera shots, I was actually really impressed how close the Note 9 with the Google camera came to the Pixel 3. I almost didn't believe it, so I took a bunch more just to be sure. It pretty much removes the face smoothing that Samsung built in, so if that's been one of your complaints, this may be a good workaround. Portrait mode on the Google Camera port is also an improvement over Samsung's selfie focus. You get so much more detail, and most importantly, it just looks more aesthetically pleasing to me. Whew, it's cold outside. Okay, another common complaint about the Note 9 is the motion blur, so let's see if the Google Camera can help with that. Damn! The Google Camera port is legit! Check this out. That's actually really nice. I'm impressed. You gotta work and play a little bit, okay? As I went around taking several more photos in good lighting, I found myself preferring some photos from the Google Camera app and some from the Samsung stock app. Kind of dark outside right now, so let's go and take some nighttime photos. Perfect time to test out night sight. Let's do it. "23,000 steps and a bunch of photographs later. What are my thoughts on the Google Camera port on the Note 9? I'm very impressed by how much it improves the front-facing camera. The face smoothing is gone and you get so much more detailed faces. It also handles moving objects better, so you don't get as much motion blur in photos. Night sight is also very cool to have. Pictures are a little grainy, but in very low light conditions, you can snap some photos you normally wouldn't even attempt. Now mind you, the app did crash twice during my testing, so it's definitely not perfect. Just something to keep in mind. Anyways, hope you found this video entertaining. Time for me to get a hot drink and I'm calling it a night. Until the next one, peace. Bye!